So here we have this function, which is 2x squared minus 3, and we want to find its derivative using the limit definition of a derivative, which is the different quotient. Okay, so first we can use the power rule and what's the derivative of constant. So we know that the answer, we know that of f of x is 2x squared and f of x is minus 3. The derivative will be here 2 multiplied by 2, and then x 2 minus 1, which is 4x, and then to the 1, which is 4x. Here the derivative will be 0. So this whole term will be minus x plus 0, which is 4x. So what we know now, when we use the limit definition of the derivative, the answer should be 4x. So let's do that. So f of x is equal to, that's just the definition. This is negative, and this is h. Okay, that's the definition of the derivative. Let's take this term here and find it from here. So that will be 2x plus h squared minus 3. This we can take it from a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Let's go back here. So that will be 2, and then x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3. Let's expand. That will be 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3. Okay, so now we will use this term instead of this term. So that will be the limit of h goes to 0 of 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3. Then I'm gonna substitute this term by this, but I will multiply this function by a negative. So it's gonna be minus 2x squared plus 3, and then over h. Now let's simplify. Positive 3 and negative 3, and then negative 2x squared with 2x squared. So what's left off is that limit of h is 0 for xh plus 2h squared over h. And this can be written as this way. To simplify, so we will end up as limit of h goes to 0, then 4x plus 2h. And then what we can do is we can just plug the limit here. H goes to 0. That will be 4x plus 2 multiplied by 0, and that will lead us to 4x, and that is this derivative, which is the same as using the power rule and the derivative of a constant.